Welcome back to Tropical Boots. My name is Trent and we are going to be going over a line dance called Going Blonde. This is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance. It does have one tag and it is choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. Let's get into it. So facing your front wall, you're going to be starting off with some toe struts. You're going to be traveling to your right side. So you're going to go right toe heel, left toe heel. You're going to take a right side rock and cross, side, rock and cross. And you're going to do the same traveling to the left. You're going to go left toe heel, right toe heel with a left side rock and cross. Now, all of this dance is syncopated count, so we're going to do that just once more with a count. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, you're going to do a rumba back and then, or to the right and back, and then you're going to go to the left side with a quarter turn. What that is side together, back, and you're going to do a quarter turn here, left together, quarter left. You're going to repeat that again. You're going to go right together, back, and left together, left. And again, that is all 1 and 2, 3 and 4 counts. From here, you should be facing your rear wall or 6 o'clock wall. You're going to do a mambo step. So you're going to rock forward on that right. So you're going to go rock and recover on the left. You're going to step back on that right. So rock, recover step, 1 and 2. You're going to run back now, left, right, left, 3 and 4. You're going to coast a step with that right foot. You're going to go back together, forward, 5 and 6. You're going to run forward now, left, right, left, 7 and 8. From here, you're going to do 2 sugar steps. So that is where you're going to tap your right toe beside your left, then you switch it over to the heel and then stomp the right foot beside. So it goes toe, heel, stomp. And again, that was 1 and 2. And on the left, 3 and 4. Now you're going to slow it down with a box step. You're going to go across for 5, back for 6, step the right to the side for 7, bring the left together for 8. And you're ready to start the dance again with those toe heels traveling to the right side. And I must correct myself, this is a 2-wall dance, not a 4-wall. So 2 walls, front and back, that's all you need to do. So let's go through that once more and then I'll show you where the tag is. Facing your front wall, weight is on your left, traveling to your right, 7. And you go right toe strut, left toe strut, side, rock, cross, and our left toe strut, right toe strut, side, rock, cross, rumba to the right, step, back, shuffle with the left quarter, turn, rumba right, step, back, shuffle left with a quarter, turn, mambo right, rock and step, run back, left, right, coast step, right together, forward, run forward, left, right foot, sugar step, and stomp, left foot, sugar step, and stomp, box step, across, back, side, together. You start again, toe, heel, toe, heel. Your tag will be at the end of your 5th wall. So you will be facing your rear wall, 6 o'clock. All you want to do is touch the right foot across and unwind around, and then you will hear in the music where you want to start again. It's roughly 4 counts, and you will start the dance from the beginning, toe, heel, side, rock, and cross. This is one we've been enjoying on a Tuesday night at Tropical Boots at our beginners class. Hope you do too, and we'll see you in the next video.